Okay, I'm outside first thing in the morning, and I'm going to start fertilizing with some compost tea that I went ahead and made out of Mexican sunflower and Comfrey Bocking 14. So after making the compost tea, I've been stirring it. Pretty much just about every time I come out here and turn on my well pump to irrigate, which is every day. I got just a just a regular 1 gallon jug, and this has been fermenting here a couple weeks. It's ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. Okay, so this is a 1 gallon jug, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to pour it into a 5 gallon bucket. Okay, so that mixture is going to be 5 to 1. Now I'm going to turn on my well pump. Okay, my well pump is turned on. Now I'm just waiting for the pressure to build up. I'm going to fill the 5 gallon bucket up with water now, so it's 5 to 1. Just gotta wait a minute, it'll be full. So I'm doing this twice a week now. Okay, so the 5 gallon bucket is full. This is what the Comfrey looks like. I'm gonna put the cover back on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my valve over here. And you can see the fluid is going to start coming through the hose over here. Now it's going through the hose, and you can tell by this right here. You see this little thing? I can control right here how much goes through. Okay, so now that the pressure is adjusted, I got it reduced 25% so it builds up pressure. The Comfrey comes out of the bucket, goes into the injector, and I can control the ejector. It could take 5 minutes to empty this or 1 hour. So I'm watering for an hour and a half today. So I'm going to utilize 2 bucketfuls throughout the whole garden. So I'll come back and do it again. So it goes through the injector, it goes up, and it goes through the lines to each individual drip head that waters each and every plant. That's it. That's my routine. Meanwhile, I got other Comfrey in here. This is what it looks like. I didn't stir it yet, but you see you mash it down. Just like that. Then you stir it. And eventually all that's going to turn into compost. It's all going to be liquid. It smells real nice too, I'll tell you that. Okay, so I put the cover back on. And I'll put the ring back on here in a little bit. Hard to do with one hand. So basically 1 gallon, 5-gallon bucket. Fill up the bucket, goes to the garden. I do 2 of them, so that's 2 5-gallon buckets. That's 2 gallons of liquid compost. This is 35 gallons. So 35 gallons times 5, that's a lot of fertilizer. Go buy a gallon of fertilizer at the store, and it's about, I don't know, 30 bucks, 25 bucks. So it's really cost effective to grow Comfrey Bocking 14 and Mexican sunflower and make your own compost tea to fertilize your garden. You know, it takes a little bit of effort, a little bit of work, but you're saving hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars and even more than that over the long term. So get yourself some Comfrey Bocking 14. I'll put the link below. Get yourself some Mexican sunflower. Grow it. You also use it for chop and drop. Put it through the chipper, chop and crop. You just put it around as mulch around all your plants. It'll break down. The rain will wash it in. It's going to change the composition of the soil. You're going to have a healthy, happy, productive garden. Okay, I hope this helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching.